Alright guys, sorry about all the background noise. So here's where we are. We got the rack loose. You'll notice right here all this chafing means the bolts were loose. Even though they were super tight when we went to take them off, they weren't holding the rack tight, and you can see the top one was loose also. So to fix this, they had a piece of all thread in the top bolts. So the top right there, those take studs on both sides, that side and this side, and then there's a through bolt down below here. So we're going to replace this grade 5 piece of all thread with an actual stud, right? So that's the first. We're going to do that. Use the flange nut. The rack body is, this body here is 70-75, but you don't really need to put a grade 8 in a 70-75, but it's not going to hurt it. It's a better quality thread. In the power steering unit, it has this 5/16 stainless bolt, which you couldn't put a washer on or anything, so we're switching to a 12-point grade 8, and then I have a close tolerance washer for that. This is the kind of stuff that was on it. You can see how that was loose, see how it was moving around. We had this bigger black painted one that obviously a lot of red Loctite too, right? Pushing out everywhere. She had this black one that didn't work. This mismatched hardware here. And then I'm always talking about getting the right length bolts. This is why. This should be an NAS type bolt where the shoulder comes all the way down to here, because look at, it's wearing in here and it's rubbing and it's just cutting into, this is actually the steering shaft that's riding against this. So all right, that's just some of the stuff you can run into. Like I said, really expensive race car with really nice parts, but it comes down to sometimes people just don't know how to assemble stuff.